Welcome to another episode, not 100% accurate. Episode 11. My finished Beskar. Right there. You see, this is my Beskar that I was talking about. And that's what it looks like. I like that design, so I left it on there. And I was telling you earlier how I swirl the glue on there. Then I spray paint it gray and then silver. So this was the finished product looks like, and I'm happy the way it came out. The back looks okay, and the front of it looks fine to me. So now I gotta find a place to put my Beskar in, and that's what I'm working on now, folks. This is a container. I forget what came in here, but as you see, I got something. I got a piece of electronics from one of the computers that some people donate, given to me, and this is from a model. I can't get this piece off, so it's not bothering me, but I plan to paint over it. This is some kind of container, and so far I'm not finished riveting it up, but this is where my Beskar is gonna go. I got that right there. And I plan to add more stuff to it. I plan to paint it. And this is episode 11, not 100% accurate. My Star Wars Beskar case that I plan to put the Beskar in. As you see, I'm into Star Wars. Well, I'm also working on something on my next video. I hope I get enough likes. If I get enough likes on this video, the next video is going to really surprise you what I'm into besides Star Wars, other movies. Remember, this is not 100% accurate. My name is J13. If you like my video, give me some likes, and hopefully I get enough likes so I can show you my other video that I plan to work on. And I'm out.